We're cutting across live to Ahmedabad right now, where Aam Aadmi Party Chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is joined by his colleague Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, and they've embarked on a Tiranga Yatra in Gujarat. This is, of course, AAP.
Okay.
In fact, setting out on the Gujarat election campaign. Remember, assembly elections are to be held in the state of Gujarat at the end of the year. And this is the Aam Aadmi Party blowing the poll bugle and, of course, challenging the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of Gujarat. This is home turf for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was in Gujarat very recently after the BJP's performance in the 5 assembly elections, where the BJP came back to power in 4 states. Prime Minister Modi visited the state of Gujarat and embarked on a road show. My colleague Saurabh Vakhtania is now joining me live from Ahmedabad city. Saurabh, is the Congress out of the picture and the Aam Aadmi Party is the primary challenger to the BJP in Gujarat now?
Well, I can't hear you properly because there's so much of sound and so much of noise over here. But let me show you the direct visuals. This is the road show which is happening over here. This is the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the newly elected Punjab CM Bhagwant Mann. He's right now speaking, and in some time the road show will start. Let me tell you the place from which the road show is going to start. This is the Khodiyar Temple.
एक आंदोलन से निकली हुई पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं। ऐसी भीड़ उनके लिए कोई नई नहीं है। ये तिरंगे उनके लिए कोई नए नहीं है। जब रामलीला ग्राउंड में तिरंगों को देखने के लिए पूरा देश आया था, तब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी उस वक्त स्टेज पर हुआ करते थे। आजकल वो देश के सबसे ज्यादा क्रांतिकारी मुख्यमंत्री हैं दिल्ली के, और पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी ने झंडे गाड़े हैं। अब दिल्ली और पंजाब तो हो गया, अब दिल्ली और पंजाब तो हो गया। हमारी प्यारी है गुजरात की इनकलाब, इनकलाब श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, इनकलाब, इनकलाब, वंदे, वंदे। केम छो? मजामा? क्या नजारा है? चारों तरफ झंडे ही झंडे, तिरंगे ही तिरंगे, ऊपर तक वो एक छोटी सी बच्ची तिरंगा लेके खड़ी हुई है। क्या नजारा है? अंदर दिल में कुछ कुछ होता है जब तिरंगे को देखते हैं। इतने सारे तिरंगे चारों तरफ, तो देशभक्ति की भावना जागती है। मेरे साथ पंजाब के नए मुख्यमंत्री भगवंत मान जी मेरे छोटे भाई हैं आज। मेरे साथ हमारे गुजरात के छोटे भाई मेरे यशुदान जी हैं आज। गोपाल इटालिया जी हैं, मनोज सरोटिया जी हैं। दोस्तों, मेरे को राजनीति करनी नहीं आती, मेरे को पॉलिटिक्स करनी नहीं आती, मेरे को भ्रष्टाचार खत्म करना आता है। दिल्ली से हमने भ्रष्टाचार खत्म कर दिया। दिल्ली में अब अगर आप किसी दफ्तर में जाते हो, पैसा नहीं देना पड़ता, सारे काम बिना पैसे के होते हैं। पंजाब में भगवंत मान ने 10 दिन में भ्रष्टाचार खत्म कर दिया। यकीन नहीं होता ना? पंजाब में अपने किसी दोस्त को फोन करके पूछना, पंजाब में किसी दफ्तर में चले जाओ, कचहरी में चले जाओ,
तहसीलदार के पास चले जाओ, रजिस्ट्री में चले जाओ, लाइसेंस बनवाने चले जाओ, बिना पैसे के काम होता है और 10 मिनट में यूं काम होता है। दिल्ली में कोई पैसे मांगता है, लोग कहते हैं केजरीवाल आ जाएगा। पंजाब में कोई पैसे मांगता है, कहते हैं भगवंत मान आ जाएगा। गुजरात में पैसे मांगते हैं क्या? रिश्वत चलती है? बताओ, इन्होंने 10 दिन में खत्म कर दिया। 25 साल हो गए बीजेपी को। यहाँ पे उनसे भ्रष्टाचार खत्म नहीं हुआ। 25 साल बहुत होते हैं, 25 साल बहुत होते हैं। दोस्तों, मैं किसी पार्टी की बुराई नहीं करने आया। मेरा मकसद यहां आने का, मैं बीजेपी को हराने नहीं आया, मैं कांग्रेस को हराने नहीं आया, गुजरात को जिताने के लिए आए हैं। गुजरातियों को जिताना है, गुजरात को जिताना है। जिताना है कि नहीं जिताना है? गुजरात से भ्रष्टाचार खत्म करना है। अब इनको 25 साल में अहंकार हो गया है। हो गया कि नहीं हो गया? अहंकार हो गया इन लोगों को 25 साल में। अब ये जनता की नहीं सुनते। एक मौका आम आदमी पार्टी को दो, जैसे पंजाब के लोगों ने दिया, जैसे दिल्ली के लोगों ने दिया। इन्होंने 25 साल राज कर लिया, अभी अगले 5 साल कुछ नया तो करने वाले हैं नहीं। एक मौका आम आदमी पार्टी को दो, अगर हम पसंद नहीं आए तो अगली बार बदल देना, अगली बार फिर ले आना इनको, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है। एक मौका आम आदमी पार्टी को दो, सारी पार्टियां भूल जाओगे दोस्तों। भारत माता की। अब हम सब लोग चलेंगे भारत माता के नारे लगाते हुए, देशभक्ति के नारे लगाते हुए, अपने देश के नारे लगाते हुए सब लोग चलेंगे। अब लोग माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Bhagwant Mann and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal asking the people of Gujarat to give them one opportunity in the upcoming Gujarat Assembly elections. My colleague Saurabh Vaktania is joining me live from Ahmedabad, where this roadshow has just started. Saurabh, give us a sense. You were telling us about where exactly this roadshow is happening and a little bit about the constituency, the area, and what that possibly means in the way that AAP has chosen to hold the roadshow there.
Well, behind me you can see the visuals, and the roadshow have started. And let me tell you, in Ahmedabad it's today 42 degrees Celsius, and look at the crowd over here. Delhi's Chief Minister and newly elected Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, are over here, and the Aam Aadmi Party wants to give a clear message that they are here in for the assembly elections of Gujarat, and their mission Gujarat has started. Look at the crowd over here. Thousands and thousands of people are present over here for the 2 days of visit. Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann started with Gandhi Ashram, and now this road show. Tomorrow they are going to visit Swaminarayan Temple, and there will be a round of meetings which will be happening. Here in the visuals you can see, this is the Ahmedabad's Nicole area, and the Nicole area is important because this is the community, this is the place where the community of Patidar community people stay over here. Now if you remember, during the Patidar Andolan, the epicenter of the Patidar Andolan in Ahmedabad was Nicole. The highest protest and everything, the most of the happening place was this Nicole area. The people staying here in the Nicole area are from the Saurashtra belt and the North Gujarat belt. And let me tell you, Saurashtra and the North Gujarat belt is the place where BJP is not performing well, and this is the place, North Saurashtra and North Gujarat, where the Aam Aadmi Party wants to concentrate, and most of the people of Saurashtra and North Gujarat stays in Nicole area of Ahmedabad. And the road show is now started. Let me tell you, the road show is of around 1 kilometer long. They wanted to do a longer road show, but the police official said that there is no proper permission. There are security issues, but yes, only 1 to 1.5 kilometer of road show permission is given. Here again in the visuals you can clearly see that there is some conflict between the police officials and the Aam Aadmi Party workers, and therefore once again the road show has stopped. But now slowly and steadily this road show will go on. Check the people over here. They are on the top of their houses. They are at the terraces of their houses, and this area is completely jam-packed. And let me tell you, all the adjoining areas are completely barricaded by the police officials. They are completely shut. Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann are also going to have several rounds of meeting. When I spoke to Ishudan Gadvi, who is standing right next to Arvind Kejriwal and Gopal Italia, who are the head of Aam Aadmi Party in Gujarat, what they are saying is that they are very confident because the people of Gujarat need change. What are they saying is that since last 27 years, it is the Gujarat, is the BJP's government in Gujarat, and now the people need change, and therefore one chance should be given to the Aam Aadmi Party. They also say that Congress is of no stage over here. The Congress has no base in Gujarat now, and therefore the only option for the people of Gujarat is Aam Aadmi Party. Let me also give you the sense how political strategy is right now for Aam Aadmi Party. Let me show you the visuals, and I keep talking. Let me tell you that the cities of the Gujarat, that are the Surat, the Rajkot, the Vadodara, these are the belts of the BJP. They are the very stronghold of BJP, and nobody can defeat BJP in those areas. So the rural areas, the villages of the Gujarat is the place where the Aam Aadmi Party is targeting, because Congress has a very strong hold, and therefore Aam Aadmi Party is now going to target the rural areas, the Saurashtra, the North Gujarat, the Kutch, the South Gujarat. These are the areas where Aam Aadmi Party needs to focus, and therefore this is the place, the Nicole in Ahmedabad. Here, the first road show of Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann is placed. This is around the 1 kilometer long road show. The whole area is of the Patidar community. The present place which the road show is going, this is the Nicole area. The whole community which stays over here is the Patidar community. Now what's most important, that when the 2015-2016, the Patidar Andolan, which was such a huge Andolan for the Patidar, the OBCs, and during that time, Nicole, this particular place in Ahmedabad, Nicole was center. And therefore, to kickstart the election campaign, he just got saved.
Okay, we seem to be having some audio trouble with Saurabh Vaktania over there, of course, but he has been telling us about this 1 kilometer long road show that Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal have in fact embarked upon, specifically in the area of Nicole in Ahmedabad, which is a Patidar community dominated area, where most of the people there come from the areas and the regions of North Gujarat, Saurashtra, Kutch, and some parts of it from South Gujarat as well. These, of course, as Saurabh was pointing out, are some of the weak spots of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP is extremely strong in the urban centers of Gujarat. Almost impossible to defeat the BJP, if one can say that, in these areas. Their stranglehold over the urban centers continues, but as far as the rural belt of Gujarat is concerned, that is the weak spot which the Aam Aadmi Party has chosen to target as it embarks upon its campaign for Gujarat 2022. Slipping into a very short break, coming up